Greetings. I'd like to just say hello. I'm Jack Kranz, and I'm just one part of the Christian Police Association, which was birthed in London way back in the end of the 19th century. And at that time, Catherine Gurney, as she watched the police officers of London, she began to see not only their lack of self-respect, but their despair, and even some who began to say, can a police officer even have a soul? And so the Christian Police Association was begun. Now in continents like South Africa, and certainly in Europe, and even early in the United States, the Christian Police Association was begun. In some places, it's very much alive, not only reaching out to police in their most difficult service, but encouraging them to have a relationship with God and to use their police service to make a difference in the communities of their nations. I welcome you to the Christian Police Association. In this movement, you will see the Fellowship of Christian Police Officers, and you'll see many other related issues and many other related organizations that are going to speak to you and want to hear from you as a leader in policing. No matter what part of the world you're from, we're interested in the heart cries that are coming into your life as you see the many issues of your communities. The Christian Police Association has become a voice that cries to you, looking for your participation. And I hope you'll join us in helping us grow together at a most dangerous time in this planet.